Azad?
Have you noticed one thing, Pranesh? He did not say that Hemant Soren is even 1% sure. He did not say Omar Abdullah is even 5% sure, because these two gentlemen have gone out of the way and have discredited Rahul Gandhi's theories on EVM and Election Commission. In fact, Supriya Sude got up in Parliament and said, how can I say things about the EVM and Election Commission? I have won because of the same system. Actually, look, Pranesh, what is happening is that Rahul Gandhi's rhetoric, as much as we are joking about it, as much as we make light about it, he is a dangerous person, creating a kind of a doubt in the mind of people against the constitutional institutions. And here I want to agree with Anand Ranganathan for a change. Many times I disagree with him, but on this point, the Election Commission and the Supreme Court, look, if he has said something about Government of India, we are tackling that politically. But when the constitutional institutions are being regularly dragged in by this serial offender, for these institutions to not take the appropriate action, they have to think not about their the public perception, but they have to think about the institution. And finally, again, now see that Mr. Shubhankar has gone away, but I just want to give you one more formula. This is Mamta and this is Nahi Jamta. Now please understand, उद्धव जी की पार्टी वाले भी, किशोर जी भी बैठे हैं, यही हुआ, वो उद्धव and not don't want to be with परिवारवाद. तो प्लीज थोड़ा सा समझो, अपनी पार्टी की जो टूट हो रही है वो अपने रीजन से हो रही है, हमें इसमें दोष मत दो.
ऐसा नहीं है, आम आदमी पार्टी के लोग अगर पार्टी छोड़ के बीजेपी में आते हैं तो दोष तो आपको लेना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा. और योगेंद्र यादव ऐसा गमछा लगाकर योगेंद्र यादव किधर गए, और वो राजेंद्र पाल गौतम किधर गए, और वो अलका लांबाजी किधर गई, और बताइए कि वो शांति भूषण प्रशांत भूषण किधर गए, और बताइए कि वो आशुतोष जर्नलिस्ट किधर गए, वो सब हमारी पार्टी में आए क्या?
बताइए.
अच्छा, तो ये शर्मा जी कांग्रेस ले ले तो चमत्कार. और हमारे
वन मिनट, डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, वन क्विक आंसर फ्रॉम हिम कमिंग टू यू.
I think you called me Pranesh to answer that question, right?
बोलिए.
Yeah, I think BJP is supposed to be like an India cricket team, a national party, only Indian players in blue jersey. BJP is today acting like an IPL team, poaching players from anywhere, below the dignity of a national party. This is clear proof of BJP's massive insecurity. BJP knows its structure is collapsing. I think BJP, in fact, is a house of cards led by a paper tiger. It's as simple as that.
Siddharth Sharma ji, the problem is that if, look what's happening in the TMC. Many in the opposition are saying it is because of the BJP. Is that right?
Well, doesn't BJP intimidate people? It's when BJP uses ED and arrests sitting chief ministers, be it Kejriwal or be it Soren, everybody knows that BJP plays footsie.
So, Mr. Sharma, people from the BJP have joined the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. आप किसका क्या यूज कर रहे थे? You were luring them with Sheesh Mahal.
No. Absolutely. What does it have to do with anything? Where is the Sheesh Mahal in any case here? I think we need to be very clear. Pranesh, Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia and all the main players of Aam Aadmi Party who were in jail, that case has been thrown out by the court. It's not that Arvind Kejriwal has been acquitted. The case itself has been thrown out. So let's not get into that. The more you
नहीं, मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता है कि ये वाई डू दे हेट अदानी अंबानी सो मच कि उनका इंटरनेट भी नहीं ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि इनको लगता है कि भाई ये कुछ भी बोल देंगे और हमें तो इंटरनेट आता नहीं, हमें पता नहीं चलेगा. एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम 28% ऑफ द एमएलएज ऑफ आम आदमी पार्टी वर फ्रॉम एक्स बीजेपी, एक्स कांग्रेस, एक्स बीएसपी. सब लोगों को ले लिया और पार्टीज को कोस रहे हो कि तुम इधर उधर के, मतलब क्या चल रहा है यहां पे. बट आई एम वेरी सरप्राइज एंड डिसअपॉइंटेड कि शहजाद भाई सेइंग दैट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एग्री विद दिस थिंग. यू ऑलवेज एग्रीड विद मी शहजाद भाई, इवन व्हेन आई सेड दैट तहसीन लुक्स यंगर देन यू. एंड फाइनली अब मुझे राज पता चला कि ये 40% 30% का क्या है. थैंक गॉड राहुल गांधी डिड नॉट से ममता एग्रीज 2%, बिकॉज दोज वुड बी द मार्क्स दैट विवेक गॉट इन मैथ्स.
But Tehseen, this, the opposition is making a mockery of itself. Look at the kind of commentary. Pradhan Mantri ko dande maro. Yesterday in a meeting, it was said that Modi ne marwa diya. Today this, gem comes out that the next election is already won. Please understand, there is so much anger among the people of India that the next election is already over. The problem is the capture of instruments of the Indian state by the RSS. Where is the substantiation? Sabut ka hai?
I think that do you believe the people of India are not angry that the Indian Air Force has to be used to deliver papers because Nepo kid Dharmendra Pradhan failed? Do you think that the people of India are not happy, are very happy because of the inflation and the matrix that has been changed and they claim 3% inflation? People in India today want to throw out this government. The only reason this government may survive is because of the capture of institutions, as rightly articulated by the fearless leader of opposition, who is soon going to be the future Prime Minister of India 2029.
Yes, Dr. Ranganathan.
या एक और बात जो बीच में कही थी, इट्स वेरी हर्टफुल बिकॉज यू कीप ऑन डेनिग्रेटिंग आरएसएस सेइंग कि देखिए ये ट्रेटर्स हैं, ये अंग्रेजों के साथ मिले हुए थे, ये जेल नहीं गए, कभी आजादी के लिए लड़े नहीं. बाय दैट लॉजिक एंड मेट्रिक आई वांट टू आस्क तहसीन माय गुड फ्रेंड, बाय दैट लॉजिक एज यू पुट ऑन थ्रस्ट ऑन आरएसएस, one of the greatest sons of India, Dr. Ambedkar, also was never imprisoned by the British. He was one of the greatest sons of India, was also in the Viceroy Regal cabinet. And Nehru said Ambedkar colluded with the British. Do you mean to say Ambedkar also is traitor? Don't use that logic for the greatest son of India. Please.
Please, Doctor, I have a lot of respect for you. To compare Dr. Ambedkar is disrespectful. All of us here will object to it.
Oh wow, so much for respect for Dr. Ambedkar. Tehseen, 1 minute. No, let's settle this debate. Good that you brought this up. Respect for Dr. Ambedkar. 1 minute. Congress's respect for Dr. Ambedkar laid bare in front of you in 10 seconds. 1 minute. Tehseen Poonawala, 1 minute. When did Jawaharlal Nehru give himself the Bharat Ratna, Dr. Ranganathan?
1954, it was not given by Nehru, but he accepted it.
Yeah. And when did Dr. Ambedkar finally get Bharat Ratna?
In fact, Congress did not give it, but he got it after almost 40 years after he died.
There you go. So, Tehseen, you think before you outrage. Shehzad.
And by the way, just 1 second, Ambedkar ji's elections, 2 elections defeated by Nehru, and in both the elections, Dattopant Thengadi from the RSS was his election agent. So therefore, if anybody has actually worked on the principles of Ambedkar ji, for instance, Ambedkar ji never wanted 370, and we have buried 370 into the ground and implemented reservation in Jammu Kashmir and have implemented the Constitution of India of Ambedkar to Jammu Kashmir, thereby fulfilling the dreams of Ambedkar. The Panch Tirth of Ambedkar was also built by the BJP governments. Not one was done by the Congress governments because they hate Ambedkar ji, both his vichar and his vyaktitva.
हाँ, विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी बोलिए सर.
10 seconds. When after a long struggle, Dr. Ambedkar came to the conclusion that the Dalits of this nation will not get justice if they remain in the folds of Hindu religion, and en masse he converted into Buddhism. And thank you, Mr. Shehzad Poonawala and Dr. Ranganathan, for endorsing this, what Ambedkar did. Maybe you are also agreeing on this with Ambedkar, that the Hindu religion has will not give justice to the Dalits and the backwards.
Okay, who goes first? Dr. Ranganathan, Shehzad, both hands up. Yes.
This is Nehru saying. This is Nehru saying Ambedkar has allied himself with the British. This is Nehru saying it. कोई शर्म हो तो भाई क्या किया उसका भाई?
No. It is the Congress and it is Nehru who respected Ambedkar.
हाँ सर, इतना रेस्पेक्ट दे दिया उनको, इतना रेस्पेक्ट दे दिया कि आप भारत रत्न देना भूल गए उनको. इतना so much respect.